Me, Monkey Man?
But,
Where's
yeah.
my baton? Bro, where's my baton?
I don't know, this thing can revive us, bro.
One second, let me come back up. I'm not going there until I get my baton back. Where's it gone?
I protect us.
Yep,
I'll protect us.
bro.
I have a...
You have a baton? Oh, I could... That might be mine.
No, it's mine.
Fine, come on, bro.
Come on, I can protect us.
I hope you do a good job. Because if you don't, we're dead.
Okay, we need to get... I got one. Get the other one.
There's no... The other one's not working.
Okay, come on. We're gonna see. Is it not there?
Bro, do you have a Bro, why can't you buy a baton? You could buy a baton so I could protect us.
You're not taking that.
I'm not asking you. Okay, we're ready, bro.
Yeah. Really?
Do you have a light bulb?
I have got it.
Don't worry, my audience. I hope
I
I hope we manage to get one, but
or just survive in general.
come here. There's one over there.
Okay, you have to get. You want me to get it?
Yeah, you go get it.
Got it.
Oh, send me shovel.
Got it. Anything else
We could use one of those, cause
What? Flat. This?
yeah, cause this is almost turned into flat.
This.
Yeah, can I have it?
Oh.
Well,
I
where's mine gone? Okay, we could
Oh,
use
yeah.
these stuff to protect each other. Come on, bro.
Oh, I need to get a. From
Do you have a flashlight?
the.
Light is through there. Pick. Okay.
Yeah. Oh!
We got it.
Oh my god! I feel like Henry from Minecraft movie when he's fighting the Enderman.
Yeah, that's a accomplish. Bro, I literally got that on camera.
Hell yes! I'm a hero!
Bro, you just got your first ghost, bro.